Yo, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Katie's Empire. And yo, we got a crazy video for you guys to check out today, man. I am so excited. This has been a long time coming. Yo, whoo, man, let me tell you something. I'm already spinning this paycheck in my freaking head. I'm thinking, okay, so the last time, the very first time, we've had three channels, or the four, three or four channels that has been monetized since 2018. And I already know the money that's gonna be inside of this thing. Oh, woo! Okay, so we got a Tesla, we got a house last time. So what are we gonna buy with this freaking check today? What are we gonna buy? Y'all let me know down in the comments, man. What do you guys think I should buy with my very first check from YouTube with this particular channel? I don't know. Matter of fact, let's just go ahead and you know what? You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go buy that new Mercedes Benz. Yes, the electric one. Come on, let's go. You know what? Maybe we should check and see how much this is before we get a little bit too excited. All right. Maybe I overdid a little bit because we don't know. All right. So I know those of you may be interested in how to monetize your channel. So as I said before, I have monetized about three or four channels so far on YouTube since 2018, I believe. So I know a little bit. So before you become monetized on YouTube, you do need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Now, a lot of y'all may think that that is easy, but that 4,000 hours of watch time is no freaking joke. It really depends on if you have short form content, it's going to take a little while. If your content is like 7 to 10 minutes, then you may reach it a lot quicker. And I definitely encourage you guys to come up with some long form content to hurry up and get those 4,000 hours of watch time. That is extremely important. You have to have 4,000 hours of watch time within 365 days or 1 year. So that means if you have 3,999 hours of watch time and you had those watch time hours on November the 11th, 2022, and let's just say today is November the 12th, 2023, and you just got that last hour, that means you only have 1 hour of watch time. That's just how it works, unfortunately. All right. So before we get into the rest of the details, let's open this thing up. How much do you guys think it is on this very first check? I'm thinking at least 5 bands, 10 bands, 15. I don't know. Let's go ahead and open it, man. I'm just too excited. Let's just go ahead and open it. Okay.
We interrupt this program for an important news announcement.
Yeah, this is actually your pen. This is not an actual check, ladies and gentlemen. What? I mean, it's a big number. It's 6 digits. It's a huge number, so it kind of got me excited a little bit. I was just like, yo, that's how much I get back already? 6 digits? But no, guys, this is your Google Adsense personal identification number, which means this is our PIN so that we can get paid. Dadgummit.
Aww.
All right. So no shopping spree just yet. I mean, I'm not tripping. I mean, I already knew. I mean, I'm not salty about it. It's just, I had some things that I wanted to do, So should I not go get that new Benz? Should I wait? I don't want to wait, but I mean, I guess because this is not an actual freaking check. This is a thanks, Google. Appreciate it, man. Thank you. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this. So Google Adsense. You can do all of this stuff ahead of time. Once that channel goes under review, your channel has been monetized, and then you got to go through all of these different steps. You go to Google Adsense, sign up for an account, set up and do all of your tax information. Then you have to do some verifications, and Google will send you this, which a lot of people think they're checks, but they're actually not. It's not a check. It's not a check. It's just your PIN. It's your PIN number, and you have to use that PIN when you go into getting paid. So what you want to do is you want to go to your studio. Go ahead and go to your studio. All right. Click on Earn. All right. So we're on Overview. All right. So what you want to do is from your All right, so from your dashboard, you want to go over here. You guys see that up top right here? Yeah. Anyway, you want to go to Earn, and then you go right here to Complete Assets. Click on that, and it's going to take you to your account on Google. Oh. So basically, guys, you just need to verify your address. All right. So we're going to click on Action, Verify. All right. So you had the identity verification that you had to do. We got the identity verification. And then the next is going to be your address verification. All right. They want to verify your address. And this is where your Google AdSense PIN comes into play. All right. So you're going to go ahead and open that up. They're asking for a 6-digit verification. All right. Six digits. We thought it was something else. It's all good. All right. So you want to go ahead and type in that verification. Did I put T? Come on, fam. All right. Go ahead and submit. And there you have it. So it now says, damn, my battery dead on there. Good night. All right. Before everything blacks the freak out. Verification is good. All right. Go here. All right. As you guys can see, wait, your payment action needs to be fixed. Let's go back to action, see what that is. All right, so while my internet takes forever, while my internet gets its life together, we're going to go ahead and wait on this thing to finish loading, and then we'll jump back into the rest of this video. I'm going to go ahead and quickly walk you guys through the steps on how I normally go about doing this channel monetization and all the rest of those things. So the very first thing that you have to do, of course, is create a Google account. All right, after you create a Google account, then you're going to go over and create you a YouTube channel. Hopefully it's a unique name that's going to help you stand out. The easiest thing to do is just go by your name, unless you have one of those regular names like John Doe or John Doe or, yeah, you get the picture.
What?
After you create your YouTube channel, then you're going to start to post content. Hopefully it's something that you enjoy and that you love doing, because I know so many people that have gotten into the YouTube space and everything, and they think that this thing is just going to be handed to them. I honestly believe that YouTube is by far the hardest place to grow an audience. I think that it is extremely easy to grow your audience on places like TikTok or Instagram, and of course, Facebook. It normally doesn't take too long to gain followers on those platforms. But YouTube, man, I tried getting some of my family members to subscribe to my channel. I'm still waiting on them to hit that subscribe button. I don't know what it is, man, but it just seems like the hardest place to earn subscribers or followers or anything like that is YouTube. The hardest place to get views, to get engagement is YouTube. So you want to post content that you're interested in and that you love doing, because honestly, when I'm doing something that I love and I'm passionate about, it just makes things a lot more easier and it doesn't feel like work. It's something that I get up and I look forward to doing each and every day. So after you have found something that you love and you enjoy doing, then of course you start to post content. Now, understand your first couple of videos are going to be crappy. They're not going to be your best work. And you want to improve over time. So you want to start somewhere. Don't think that that first video has to be perfect. It doesn't. It's your first video. People understand growth. And you, as a creator, need to understand that you have to start somewhere. And the best time to start is right now. Stop being in your head as much and just start to post and put content out there. And when you start to post, the audience will come to you. Now, during that time, you need to make sure that you're liking your videos, that you're commenting up under your videos. I like and I comment up under all of my videos. I'm always hitting that like as soon as that video is posted, if not before. And then I comment below and I say, thank you guys so much for watching. And I will literally go and watch my own video, because if you're not supporting you, don't expect anybody else to. So I like, I comment, and I view all of my videos, even after doing a lot of editing to those videos. The process to me is just beautiful. And as a creator, you're going to have to get used to it until you can get to the point where you can hand that off to somebody else and have somebody else do it. But that shooting, that editing, and that posting is honestly something that I have grew to love. And I'm falling in love with it more and more each day. So you're putting your content out there and you're sharing that content across all the platforms. I'm constantly sending these videos to my mom, my dad, my sister, my brother, my uncle, my cousins, my coworkers, or whatever. I'm constantly pushing my own content to get people to watch and also give me some feedback. What are some things that you guys think that I can work on? Because I am always constantly looking to improve. And on this platform, you have to have thick skin. Cannot stress that enough. You have to have thick skin on YouTube, because them comments, whoo, you have positive people out there, but I promise you, YouTube is like a space like no other. They will clown you. They will get on you about any little thing, but I always look at it as constructive criticism. If I can improve, then I will improve. Highly encourage you guys, have thick skin, please. All right, so the next thing, guys, make sure, I cannot express this enough either. Every time that you step on camera, try to make sure that you're looking your best. All right, look like you care. Because if you get on camera, you look like you don't care, your audience is not going to care. You want to make sure that you're looking decent when you get on camera. You want to make sure that you're speaking clearly when you get on camera. You want to make sure that your lighting is good when you get on camera. And you want to make sure that your quality, your video quality is good as well. And once you get to the point, the audio and everything, audio is really, really important to some people. You want to make sure that your audio is not too low, and you want to make sure your audio is not peaking, because that is aggravating. And most importantly, shaky footage. If you can put that camera on a tripod, on a stabilizer, or anything, please do so, because people will click off of your video so freaking fast if all they're seeing is shaky footage. Like, I'm getting dizzy just watching you, bro. Off shots are some of the best shots. Also, 2 camera angles. There's nothing wrong with 2 different camera angles. I don't have my 2 cameras set up, but it's always good to do 2 camera angles. If you don't have 2 cameras rolling, you can always insert B-roll clips. B-roll clips are your friend, because what that's doing, it's keeping your audience attention, because there's constant change instead of them just looking at you talking to a camera for the whole entire 10, 15, 20 minutes. Those B-roll shots are what honestly bring the video to life. It's good on YouTube to have that long form content and also do YouTube shorts or reels. Those are going to bring more eyeballs to your channel. Those are going to get you more views and more subscribers, as long as the content is good. And if it's something that you can learn from your content, that's going to be really, really good for your channel. If people are coming to learn something. Also want to organize your channel. So when people come to your channel, what's the first thing that they see? They should see you in a nice little picture, a little bubble. They should see a banner that you have created. You can use Canva. I actually use Canva. Canva is pretty good. They should see a trailer of some of the things that you do on your channel to kind of highlight your channel, like a little highlight reel for the people that haven't subscribed to your channel. And then you should also have another video for people that have subscribed to your channel. So your returning subscribers, they should see something different. And then it's always good to have playlists set up for different people that come to your channel. Some people may be clicking on there to check out your vlogs, check out your reviews, check out your house tours, to check out makeup tutorials, whatever your niche is. It's always good to have playlists set up for your audience. That's easy access. And when those things on your channel are not hard to find, people will find themselves on your page a lot more because it's easy access. And the goal, my friends, is to understand your audience and give them exactly what it is that they want and give them some of the things that they honestly need, which again is that information. All right, guys, so that was just a quick video on how I normally monetize my YouTube channels. And also the real reason why Google sends out that little paper that a lot of you guys see when a channel has finally been monetized. So maybe with the next video, I may do a video about what I spent my first YouTube check on. Y'all comment down below and let me know if that's something that you guys would be interested in. Anyway, I'm going to get back to figuring out how I'm going to be able to afford this Benz. All right, until the next time, man. Y'all be blessed. Y'all be beautiful. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa. Too bad was you know they